Twahikoma kagishe Philemon Mateke omurimu ndimiro Nyakabingo omurchahi sub county kandi twashanga abebembezi batara bamwe na bamwe bashyira mu mwanya ogu okushasha n'abekeji.
Amahoro y'Imana itanga arutuko umuntu wese yakwibwira akomeze kurinda imitima ya nyabugo sinabavandimwe
Abatura nabashasha n'omugenzi ahabwa omusinjo gwabiratireho ombyentunguka.
We are short of words, nothing we have to say as Bafumbira, as Kisoro district. Sarah was, I can say, she was dedicated to us as Bafumbira. I, for one, as a district councillor, we don't have any regret to having known Sarah Mateche as our woman member of parliament. Above that, President Museveni gave her a ministerial post where all of us, the Bafumbira, were benefiting from that office. The time she was in the office of gender, Bafumbira can be our witnesses.
Sarah Mateche n'umuntu w'abantu wakundaga abantu bose, hari abato hari abakuru bose yabakundaga. Tubabajwe n'urupfu mutunguranye, twese turababaye nk'abafumbira.
Honorable Minister Sarah Mateke, she's my older sister in the family of Bazigaba. From the time I grew, she has been our good sister and a good leader at large. She's among the family people for sure who pulled my hand when I was still studying. She gave me support, I recall.
Turababaye aho yaratugejeje ku district hari heza mu district yacu ya Gisoro yakoraga nta muntu atafashaga umuto n'umukuru.
Minister Sarah Mateke abire nakira okuzombatura omukoro etari emwe nemwe kandi 2018 hona na bwakarebwa ho mubugenyi bw'omushubuzi Dusabe Sunset omunyarusiza.
Ntabwo byatworoheye, iyi ni inkuru mbi y'incamugongo, ariko ubwo niko Imana yabitegetse, nta kindi twakongeraho. Twese turi mu gahinda, turi mu kababaro.
Nyanko umuntu w'umukozi akozire ibintu bingi munonga eby'intunguka ayombekire Beratero University, Metropolitan International University, kandi eri kuyamba abantu abatarebasa.
It's really a crowded day. It's a dark crowd in Kisoro and the country. It's because we have lost our beloved minister, the State Minister for Defense and Veteran Affairs, Honorable Sarah Mateke. As I speak now, I'm at the home of the father of Honorable Minister Sarah Mateke, the deceased.
Kuri abafumbira n'abafumbira kazi bari gucura umuborogo kubwo gufirwa uyu mugore utarebaga ku butoni, kubwo gufirwa uyu minister urwa dufite nk'abafumbira uwo twiratishaga, kubwo gufirwa intwari yacu yo president yari yarashizemo ibyiringiro gukurira ingabo.
Entebekanisa zo kuzika ziriyo nizigenda mu misho kandi TV Western tuzagumza muntu kusiha amakuru go kufa kwa Minister Sarah Mateke kurabiro mu makuru gaitu hamwe na programs gasha kwa Kate atuzarirwe.